Are we going to be that generation that says all the wisdom cultures of the world are meant for human beings?
That's quite big.
Not really.
This is the place where they perform unlimited pastimes in form of human beings. Even though they were all for sinful world, their pastimes are destructive, perishable, and ever fresh. They are perfectly festival for the mind and they dry the ocean of difficulty. So now onwards, wherever you walk around, you should remain a prayerful mode and seek with great honor. Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna,
But if someone else thinks, you guys are just like brainwashed, you're not individual enough, you're just following the crowd, and you're still
Excuse me. I desperately grabbed it only to realize that it was a dead body. But somehow I made it to her house. There I had to scale a wall. So I grabbed the rope hanging from her balcony. When I reached the balcony, I realized that it was a cobra I was holding on. Finally, when I entered her room, she was very surprised. Not surprised with my adventure and encounter, but for my determination and degree of attachment for her. She told me that I wish if you were so much attached to Lord Sri Krishna, then you would achieve liberation in no time.
If I didn't bring it, it's like
Give up your delusion
this shit I can't.
and follow path of religion. Dharmo rakshati rakshita. Her words penetrated me. I thought for a moment and I asked her, can you give me your hairpins? She pulled out 2 hairpins and put them in my hands. I saw her beautiful face last time, thanking her in my heart. I accepted her as my spiritual guide. that both the pins in both of my eyes.
Oh, no, Baba.
Yes, I had to close my eyes instead of seeing her wisdom and good qualities. I only saw her as a gift to hide in dunya. I realized my position.
Excuse me. So you was on the phone? Excuse me.
That's quite big.
May we too walk, like Bilva Mangala Thakur, towards the embrace the eternal home. Build among those customers, he died.
No, I'll just circle around. I'm not going anywhere. Okay, so let's see what you want to do.
So, are we going to be that generation that pushes back? Or we create this dead sound, the pure vibration? Are we going to be that generation that demands its spiritual rights? Are we going to be that generation that says all the wisdom cultures of the world are meant for human beings? It's not meant to divide us based on Yankees and Mets and whatever. If you love
I'm coming, my love.
Both the car and the prince to life. This powerful legend set in Tiruvarur lies as a symbol of true dharma and Dharma.
Commander in chief.
मुझे खबर नहीं